So this is what we'll be expecting for the day on our odd US dollar. So those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, do well to click on that subscribe button, like, share, and make your comments. So let's start with our trend on odd US dollar. So we can clearly see that on our odd US dollar, we are in an uptrend move. It is very clear that market is trending to the upside. Right now, if you take a look at this moment, market is currently at a support level. So we had a rejection here, and market also rejected before it rejected, then came back to retest it. So we should expect it to reject again. So another bullish move is what to be expecting next on our odd US dollar. So we should expect that bullish move to push up and take out this high here, thereby forming a new higher high for us on our odd US dollar. After I form the higher high, we can now expect an higher low and then another higher high. So basically, we still anticipating for a bullish move on odd US dollar. So once the market opens, be looking for your buy. If there will be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. In order for you not to miss out on that update, all you just need to do is click on that subscribe button, like and share.